Bollywood stars don't just act like royalty, they dress like it too. And when it comes to making a statement, they spare no expense. Some of these outfits cost more than luxury cars and even high end apartments. Today, we are revealing the 5 most expensive outfits ever worn by Bollywood stars. And trust me, the price tags will leave you speechless. Let's get started. Number 1. Urvashi Rautela's 37 crore dress. If you think Bollywood stars only splurge on designer brands, think again. Actress Urvashi Rautela stunned everyone at the Arab Fashion Week in a dress worth 37 crore. This masterpiece was designed by Furne Amato, an international designer who has dressed celebrities like Beyonce and Jennifer Lopez. The dress was crafted from pure gold and embedded with real diamonds. It took months of craftsmanship to create this one-of-a-kind outfit. Fun fact, the outfit was inspired by Queen Cleopatra's royal attire, making Urvashi look like true Bollywood royalty. Number 2. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's 75 lakh wedding sari. When Aishwarya Rai married Abhishek Bachchan in 2007, she wore one of the most expensive bridal outfits ever seen in Bollywood. Designed by Neeta Lula, this sari was made with pure silk and intricately woven with real gold thread and Swarovski crystals. The sari was a mix of traditional South Indian craftsmanship and luxurious detailing, making it an absolute showstopper. Fun fact, Aishwarya's wedding jewelry was estimated to be worth 3 to 4 crore, making her one of the most lavishly dressed brides in Bollywood history. Number 3. Priyanka Chopra's 50 lakh Met Gala gown. When Priyanka Chopra Jonas stepped onto 2018 Met Gala red carpet, she left the world speechless. The custom-made Ralph Lauren gown featured a 70-foot-long wheel, making it one of the longest in Met Gala history. The entire outfit was hand-embroidered with Swarovski crystals and delicate beadwork, taking over 1500 hours to complete. It was a tribute to medieval royalty, fitting perfectly with the event theme, Heavenly Bodies, fashion and the Catholic imagination. Fun fact, Priyanka wheel alone needed multiple assistants to carry it on the red carpet. Now, that's extra. Number 4. Kareena Kapoor Khan's 50 lakh wedding lehenga. For her wedding with Saif Ali Khan in 2012, Kareena Kapoor Khan chose an outfit with deep historical significance. Instead of opting for a new designer lehenga, she wore her mother-in-law Sharmila Tagore's vintage bridal lehenga. Originally designed by Bhopal's royal craftsmen, the lehenga was restored and redesigned by the legendary Manish Malhotra, adding intricate gold zari embroidery and real pearls to enhance its beauty. The original outfit dates back to 1939, was passed down as a royal heirloom. Fun fact, despite its age, the lehenga is still considered one of the most expensive Bollywood wedding outfit because of its historic value and the precious materials used. Number 5. Deepika Padukone's 50 lakh red carpet gown. Deepika Padukone is no stranger to making headlines with her stunning fashion choices. But one of her most iconic looks was the Cannes Film Festival 2018. She wore a costume-made Zuhair Murad couture gown, which was fully embroidered with sequins and Swarovski crystals. The gown's golden mermaid silhouette gave her a goddess-like appearance, making it one of the most talked about outfits of the event. The luxurious gown was handcrafted over 6 months and flown in from Paris exclusively for Deepika. Fun fact, Deepika's entire Cannes 2018 wardrobe was estimated to be worth 1 crore, with brands like Zuhair Murad, Ashi Studio and Analberta Fretti designing her. From gold-infused saris to diamond-studded gowns, Bollywood stars prove that when it comes to fashion, money is no object. But here's the real question. If you had the money, which one of these outfits would you want to wear? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like if you are shocked by these price tags. Share with your fashion-obsessed friends. Subscribe for more Bollywood luxury updates. Stay stylish, stay fabulous, and we will see you in the next video.